This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Ciancitto. Welcome home. Air conditioner and ductwork were replaced in 2020. Looking for the right owner who will enjoy this house and call it his/her home. Completely and fully renovated inside and out. This gorgeous home is a 3 beds, 2 bath, open floor plan, spacious granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, fully fenced backyard, waterproof luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the home, washer/dryer hookup, and shed for extra storage. You'll love both the indoor and outdoor spaces this home provides, but come quick, these usually go very fast. For more information, review the details below.